Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for July 7, 2020. If you look at the chart here, it is the SBY, the Spider S&P 500 ETF chart. The reason that I have this chart because I can see because they are not open during off hour. So that's why it's easier for me to see where the gap, where the resistance. That you can see that over yesterday the market right there they hit to the resistance line from this candle, and this morning they try another attempt they couldn't go through it, so they fell. So normally when the market is hit to the resistance area, if they cannot punch through it, most likely they will be fail to so that they can pull back, get some momentum, and then before they can go higher. So as you can see here in the shorter time frame, 60-minute chart in the morning, they tried to get back to the top, couldn't do it, so they fell. And if you look at the other index, they also failed to make a high like Russell 2000 very quick and down. That's why definitely ES will the SPY won't have momentum to go higher. So if you look at the chart from the E-mini SP 500, so you can see clearly because this one they run almost 24 hours. So this morning they try another attempt to get into the sell zone, but they couldn't do it. So after they hit to the sell zone, and then they fell. So right now they try to pull back to build some momentum, and then we will see in the next couple of days to see they be able to come back here and then take over this area here to go higher. So in the short term, you can see that on the 60-minute chart, yesterday they come down, in the morning they push it back up, and then they try to break out. They couldn't do it, so they slam it down to the bottom. So right now they try to build up the momentum, try to push it back up to see how far they can go. So right now we after run up from here for last week and yesterday. So definitely they try to digest something here before they can build up momentum to the upside. So if you are a day trader, you uh, if you are a day trader, you can see here. Look at the 6-minute chart here, so you can see that we stuck in the rainbow here. So the market it couldn't push it back up, so they slam it until the last minute. But in the morning, in our live trading room, when the market opened at 6:30, in our live trading room, we'll be able to guide everybody, okay, in the upside here. So a lot of people are making money in the upside here. So when I get out of my live trading room, I still see some a little bit more opportunity here. So I jump in and take a quick trade here, and the total net profit for today is only $1,026. But because the market it when they hit to the resistance, and after that, and then they yet break a upper support line, and then during the lunch time, and then just slam it down until at the end of the day they couldn't make it higher. They tried to find a support here, couldn't make it higher, so they slam it down to the bottom. So right now, let's see what the market they want to do here overnight. We want to see that how far they can push it back up, or they will continue to roll over a little bit downside before they can go higher. We will see it by tomorrow. So if you look at the a lot of chart that we highlight over the weekend, you can see that a lot of like Boston beer, okay, it's still strong, very strong momentum in the upside, and you also see that the SGE at home education is still doing well there. Costco is still put it back up on the retail, as you can see there. And oh, okay, this stock is another strong one on the upside. The funny thing here, if you look at the Tesla CSLA, as we mentioned over the weekend, and now they jump up all 13, 14 hundred right now. And but another funny thing here, if you look at the NKLA, that's another electric car they yet come out to the IPO. So this is what happened to a lot of people out there. They will believe that Nikola will be like Tesla, so they jump in. A lot of them buy right here, but they didn't know that because they don't know how to read the chat. So that's why they all jump here and get killed right here. And after that, they pull back. People think that okay, they will come back up, and that's why a lot of news say that one they will go another Tesla. People will buy again, and look at what happened now. They slam it down. So that's why if you don't understand how to read the chart and how to use the technical analysis, okay, I'm not talking about the regular technical analysis. I'm talking about the modern technical analysis. So you can see those things ahead of the time. Our member be aware of this one since when they yet go IPO, and that's why if you don't know where to buy. It's exactly that will kill you very quickly. They drop from 90 something now to 40. So if you get in the wrong play, your account will be wiped out very quickly. So that's why you need to understand it to learn how to read the chart by using the technical analysis so that you know exactly where to go. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know so that you can see where they go. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumb up. And if you want to learn more about how to read the chart, how to understand technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again.